Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I'm not sure which vendor sent me this, but here's the description right here. It says phone case, 5 quantity, and then unit value, and then sub value. And this one came from China. It's through DHL. I'm not sure if my driver dropped this off at my neighbor's house, because I saw on my surveillance cameras it's one of the white Accord that dropped it off. So I don't think DHL tried the Honda Accord. Anyway, let's go and then open this up and then show you guys what we got here. I'm just gonna cut out the opening right here. Watch it on this side. Oh, this one is from NIMBUS9. Yeah, it's a special request from Betty, and I guess somehow, I'm not sure if she's busy or lost communication, but I didn't get the tracking number from her. So anyway, let's go and then open this up. I'm going to open from the bottom since the label is on the top. It has my name on there, so. And then there's my initial right there. So I got 5 of these cases. Cool. This one is the NIMBUS9. NIMBUS9 Phantom 2. The clearly top case. And it says ultimate protection by with the Flexonite. Yeah, it looks like they have a new packaging. And then they have those colorful button that is removable. You could put like a blue, red, green, or orange color or something like that. And this one has 10 feet drop test, and it is a military standard. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this one's the small dark gray. Cool. And here's the instruction. Good thing about the NIMBUS9, they have a limited lifetime warranty. And then they do the donation when you purchase their case to Hero's Heart. So as you can see, this one comes with the glossy black button right there. And then here's a set of red, nice red button right here. So this one is the 3D hexa pattern, and then come with those customized button, which is pretty cool. allow you to change color. And here's another NIMBUS9. This one is the Cirrus 2, the ultimate driving case. I don't want to mix it up. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this one, it has this metal plate, and it is compatible with their magnetic mount for the desk, car, or wherever that you want to mount this at. And again, this one comes with a glossy black button. And here's the chrome button that you could change it out, which is pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and check out this one. So this one is the Phantom 2, and it is clear. Check this one out. So the Phantom 2, they have this 3D hexa pattern, okay, on the inner side. And then on the outer side, it's just smooth. And this one is with the chrome. And come with this nice blue accents tone of those buttons. And those are hard buttons. Let's go ahead and check out this one. And then this one is Cirrus 2 again. And as you can see, it's in a different color. And show the direction on how to remove your buttons. Again, this one has a metal plate. And come with this glossy black button again. Wow. And then this one is the green color. Look at that. And those are high quality buttons, not so cheap. And then this one is the Phantom 2. Wow, look at that. It's like a see-through blue case. Pretty flexible, and this one is chrome buttons. And also come with this blue buttons. Anyway, I have a Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G dummy phone right here to do a quick test for you guys real quick. Alright, so this is what it look like. Looks pretty awesome. And then this one has a smooth backing, so you don't need to worry about the hump that's around the camera. So it's not going to be a wobble when you put it on the desk. And then this one is the clear one. Very nice. And they got their NIMBUS9 right there. NIMBUS9. So these two are the smaller versions, so it's not gonna fit. So that's kind of giving you an idea how big it is. Alright. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check out all these cases. Anyway, peace.